Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming which app and account hold the disappearing messages and why you need to remove them. Open the conversation and tap the settings or info icon to expose message controls. If the app asks for verification, complete it now. Once done, back up any content you must keep, export, screenshot, or forward, because removal can be irreversible. This prevents data loss and speeds the process, so make sure you have salvage copies before changing timers or deletion rules. You now disable the disappearing timer or change it to a persistent setting. Go into chat settings and select off or a long duration. Next, manually save attachments. Download photos, videos, and documents to a secure folder, since timers often ignore saved copies. Once saved, review linked devices and web sessions to ensure they sync the new setting. Clear app cache if old copies linger. These steps prevent automatic deletion and consolidate content across devices you finish by deleting any remaining ephemeral messages after confirming your backups are safe. Use the app's delete or clear chat function to remove residues. Then sign out of other devices, restart the app, and force a sync to ensure the disappearance setting is disabled everywhere. If messages still vanish, reapply the non-disappearing setting, reinstall the app, or update to the latest version to fix bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: if changes don't stick, check active sessions and permissions before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.